Record search. In juvenile dependency cases in California, record searches are often conducted to gather information relevant to the case, including documentation related to allegations of abuse or neglect, social services involvement with the family, court proceedings, and other pertinent details. Here are key aspects of record searches in juvenile dependency cases. 1. Case files. Record searches typically involve accessing the case file maintained by the juvenile court, which contains documents filed by parties involved in the case, court orders, hearing transcripts, and other records related to the proceedings. These files are generally confidential and may require authorization or a court order to access. 2. Social services records. Social services agencies maintain records documenting their involvement with the family, including reports of suspected abuse or neglect, assessments, case plans, progress reports, and correspondence. Access to these records may be governed by state laws and agency policies regarding confidentiality and disclosure. 3. Law enforcement records. Law enforcement agencies may have records related to investigations of alleged abuse or neglect, including police reports, witness statements, and evidence collected during investigations. Access to law enforcement records may be subject to restrictions based on privacy concerns and ongoing investigations. 4. Medical and mental health records. Medical and mental health providers may have records documenting examinations, evaluations, diagnoses, and treatment provided to the child or family members. Access to these records may be governed by federal and state laws protecting patient privacy, such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, IPAA. 5. School records. School records may contain information relevant to the child's educational history, attendance, academic performance, and interactions with school personnel. These records may be accessed with the consent of the child's parent or legal guardian, or pursuant to a court order. 6. Confidentiality and privacy considerations. Records searches in juvenile dependency cases must adhere to strict confidentiality and privacy requirements to protect sensitive information and the rights of children and families involved. Attorneys, social workers, and other professionals involved in the case must ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations governing access to confidential records. Overall, record searches play a crucial role in gathering evidence, assessing the needs of children and families, and making informed decisions in juvenile dependency cases. Properly conducted searches help ensure that relevant information is considered in court proceedings and that the rights and well-being of children and families are protected throughout the legal process.